everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 5th to the 9th of June 2023 on Monday. Monday refuses to roll over no matter what. Kulegani dig himself into a hole that will be difficult to get out of. Mlungisi's parents refused to give him up on Tuesday. Mtsembo seems to be losing power as Mamzobe and Mlungisi infiltrate, getting ready to take over the church no matter the cost. Nomkhosi makes a shocking discovery about a loving husband on Wednesday. Maphalala sees a bad omen during Mlungisi's cleansing. Nomkhosi decides to investigate what she's come to learn about her husband's job. Difa is discharged, but he has nasty surprises for Mamzobe on Thursday. Mlungisi is introduced to his inheritance and he is overwhelmed. Nomkhosi learns more secrets about her husband and she has had enough. Difa kicks Mamzobe out of his house on Friday. Mamzobe gets the taste of her own medicine on the day the vault is supposed to come to her. Nomkhosi makes a drastic decision after learning the whole truth about Kulegani. Zibuse puts Difa in his place. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.